CHE 4600 angle grinder, slim and lightweight in design. Side switch for non-stop and continuous duty operation. Compact 650 watt motor with 11,000 RPM. Fatigue-free operation. 2-position side handle to grind at various positions. Quick wheel change. Heavy metallic wheel guard. Accommodates up to dia 100 mm wheel. High tensile gear and pinion suits to multiple application like pipe cutting. Suits for different applications in fabrications, sandering, polishing. CUMI built, tough inside out.